need to move. And once you do, everything changes. If you wait to feel ready, you will be waiting for the rest of your life. If you wait until fear is gone, you will never start. If you wait for motivation, you will always be controlled by your emotions. But if you learn how to force yourself into action, regardless of how you feel, you will become unstoppable. You will train yourself to act fast, to move decisively, and to create momentum before doubt has a chance to stop you. Every single person who has ever achieved anything great has had to force themselves to act. The first workout, the first business deal, the first cold call, the first speech, the first risk, they did not feel ready. They did not feel confident, but they moved anyway. And because they moved, they built confidence. Because they moved, they gained experience. Because they moved, they turned hesitation into momentum. If you want to take control of your life, you must take control of your actions. You must train yourself to break through hesitation, to overcome resistance, to act before your mind has a chance to talk you out of it. Because once you develop this skill, once you learn how to force yourself to take action, nothing will be out of reach. You will no longer be held back by doubt, fear, or laziness. You will be in control. And that is what we are going to break down. The practical step-by-step process to force yourself to take action, even when you do not feel like it. Because once you understand this,
I wanted to sell this,
your life will never be the same. The first step
but
to forcing
being that it's
yourself to take
Friday,
action is eliminating
I was like,
negotiation.
nah, I'm not going to.
Every day, people wake up and start bargaining
But
with
man,
themselves.
that could have been
Should I get up now or
some quick
sleep a little longer?
money.
Should I work on my goals or take the day off? Should I push forward or wait until I feel more ready? And that internal debate is exactly what kills momentum.
I
Because
want to
every
buy
time you give
oil
yourself an
too.
option, you give yourself an excuse. Winners do not operate this way. They do not wake up and ask themselves if they should take action. They have already decided. They do not give their mind room to negotiate because they understand that the moment you start debating with yourself, the weaker side of your mind will always try to win. The side that wants to stay comfortable, stay safe, stay exactly where you are. If you want to take control of your actions, you must remove the debate. You must operate from a place of decision, not emotion. You must treat your commitments as non-negotiable. If you say you're going to wake up at 5 a.m., there is no debate. If you say you are going to the gym, there is no discussion. If you say you are working on your business today, there is no room for hesitation. It is already done. The problem is that most people let their feelings dictate their actions. If they do not feel like doing something, they hesitate. And the moment they hesitate, they start looking for reasons to delay. I'll do it later. I'll start tomorrow. I need more time. But winners do not wait until they feel like it. They take action regardless of how they feel. Because they know that feelings are temporary, but results last forever. And here's the truth. Hesitation is the killer of dreams. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to move. The moment you allow your mind to second guess, you start slipping into inaction. That is why winners train themselves to act fast. They move before hesitation has a chance to creep in. They take action before doubt can stop them.
What's up, bro? Good morning. How you
Think
doing,
about
man?
all the times you have wanted to do something but hesitated. Maybe you wanted to start a project but you overthought it and never began. Maybe you wanted to speak up but you waited too long and the moment passed. Maybe you wanted to take a risk but your mind convinced you it was too soon and now you regret not taking the chance. That is what hesitation does. It kills momentum before it even starts. The break this cycle is to
I
remove
wanted to
the
sell
stations of
this,
thought
but
and action.
it's Friday,
The
so
moment you decide to do
sat out.
something, move immediately. Do
But
not
I
give your
saw
mind
this
time to
30-minute
talk cloud.
candle,
Do not wait for the right conditions. Do not analyze whether or not
right here,
you
and
feel
I was like, bro, we're about to
just
drop.
the faster you act, the easier it
And it
becomes
did.
to build momentum.
Uh,
And here's something most people never
could have cut
realize.
that.
Action creates motivation.
Well, I didn't think we were gonna come down
Most
this
people
much.
think
I
they
was
need to feel
aiming
motivated
for
before they take action.
3020.
But it is the opposite. You must take action first.
That's where I had it on my
Motivation
other
wins.
chart
Because
at
the moment
20.
you start moving, your mind starts to shift.
But
The resistance fades,
jeez,
the
it's already at
excuses
10.
disappear, and suddenly you are in motion.
So I think we're gonna
Think about working out.
make up
The
all
hardest
that
part is
push
not
up
the
on the
workout
weekly.
itself. It is starting. The hardest part
Come
is
back
not
down
writing
here
the book. It is
to at
sitting
least
down to
close
write
that.
the first
So
sentence. The hardest
below
part
3K,
is not making
I
the
don't know.
call. It is picking up the phone.
We'll see.
Once you take that first
But
step,
man,
everything else becomes
I want to
easy.
trade gold on
This
Sunday
is why
for sure.
successful people do not
I
rely
just have
on
a feeling we're
motivation.
gonna have a big
They do not wait for
correction
inspiration. They train themselves
and
to
then
act first,
another
knowing
leg
that
up.
momentum will take care of the rest. Because once you start
So
moving, it is easier to keep going.
we might pull triggers on that. Ooh, look
If
at
you
that
want to
daily
force
candle.
yourself to take action, you must build
Ah, I
a
should have
habit
sold it,
of
but
immediate
it's all
execution.
good.
The moment you start
It was a
moving,
great week.
take
Are you in
action.
any trades right now? Is anyone in any trades
Even
right
if
now?
it is small, even if it
Or
is
are we all
just
closed
one
up?
step. Because that one step
I'm
will generate
closed up.
momentum. And once you have momentum, you become unstoppable. And here's a simple rule. Never leave the scene of a decision without
I
taking
made my
action.
last trade this
If you
morning
decide to start a business, make
around
the first call. If you decide to build a book,
4
do a set of
or
push-ups.
5.
If you decide to wake up earlier, set your alarm and move it across the room.
Yeah, just taking it
Take
easy,
action
bro.
immediately.
What's
Because action is what turns
literally
an
just
idea
doing that.
into
It was a
reality.
great week. Literally fantastic week.
But here's the challenge. Most people will not do this.
Um,
They will listen to this, agree with it,
I mean,
and
the
go
beginning of the
back to
week,
their old patterns. Why?
waiting for this trade to
Because
play
they are
out.
still giving themselves options. They are
It's
still
not horrible, but
negotiating with
it's just not.
themselves. They are still
We are
fighting to
in
feel like they need
consolidation,
action instead
seriously.
of
But
forcing themselves to take action.
next week, man,
But
this
winners
trade's
do not
gonna
wait.
play.
Winners do
This
not
trade's gonna
hesitate.
play. We might get a
Winners decide
test back
and
up,
move.
and then we'll
And
get
because
that
of that,
push
they
we've been
achieve
looking
more in
for,
1
either
year
to
than
here
most people
or
do
we're
in
here.
their lifetime.
But we broke
So
structure,
starting
which is
today,
great. It's
remove
fantastic.
negotiation from your
We
life.
had the trend line here, trend
Do
line
not
here,
ask
trend line
yourself
here,
if you
broke
feel
through
like
it, closed below,
Do not wait for the right time. Do not give
and we
yourself
got
a
out.
choice. Because once
Because I was
taking action
expecting
becomes
price to come back
non-negotiable,
up,
success
and then we're gonna enter in
becomes
more.
inevitable.
But we haven't done it yet, which is great. Just
The
waiting
second
for
step to forcing yourself to
Sunday,
take action
Monday.
is shortening the
Whenever
gap
price
to
wants
the
to come back
decision
up, it's
window.
probably gonna be quick. Just
Every second you spend thinking, analyzing, or hesitating
come back up,
gives your mind
test,
more time to create
and
doubt,
down we go.
fear, and excuses.
And that's a long way
And the
down.
longer you wait,
Look at all
the
this.
harder it becomes to act. This is why most people never
So
follow through. They allow too much time to pass between making a decision
this is the trade that looks the best right now for us next week.
Winners understand that hesitation is the enemy. They know that every
We
second
got in a
you
little bit
delay
early.
increases resistance. They know
Mike,
that
are you
once
in
your
here?
mind starts questioning the decision, it
And I
becomes
think it was
easier to
Alejandro and
rationalize
Mike.
doing nothing.
When we were talking about this candle,
This is why they train
I was
themselves
like,
to act immediately. They develop the
price
habit of
was
moving
here,
before their
and
brain has a
it
chance
was
to
coming
start.
back up to test up this structure. I was like, this is probably
Think
looking like
about a
the last
rocket
candle
launching into space. The most
to
energy
test
is
back
burned
up,
in
and
the
then we'll
first
start
minutes,
moving down.
breaking through the resistance
We did
early
close
is rapid.
above,
But
but
once it passes that
after
barrier,
that, it
momentum
just started
takes
moving
over.
down.
Action works the same way.
And
The
it's
hard
in
part
the
is not
it's
the
in the
work itself, it
recording
is
from
overcoming
I
the
literally
initial
said it was like
resistance.
fortune teller,
The
but
moment you start
I was
moving,
just playing
things
around.
become easier.
But
You build momentum,
it's
you gain
crazy how
traction,
this
and suddenly,
actually
taking action
fruitioned,
is no longer a struggle.
and it literally like went to the top of it,
Most people
like
get stuck in a
that
loop.
wick right there.
They analyze every
Very
possibility, waiting until they feel 100%
crazy,
ready
crazy.
before they move.
But yeah. yeah, we got that EU trade. That was good. Looking to get back into EU next week. UJ looks like a really good buy for me. I don't know. We just keep hesitating in this area. All of this consolidation is great, because after you have a period of consolidation, it's ready for that breakout move. The key is to get in it before the breakout, so then you're not chasing it and trying to get in on pullbacks and everything like that. But pullbacks are good as well. For whatever reason, we do miss it, which I don't see happening. Pullbacks are great, but I like to be in the trade before it makes that breakout, so then you're good, you're solidified in your trade setup. And then adding to positions when you're already in the beginning of the move is a different type of feeling. It's the best. It's the best. So looking forward to that. Especially with, EU too, we could do it with EU. Even if we come down a little bit on EU today, because gold is pushing down, we might slow down here. I don't know. It's Friday. There's not any news coming out today. I don't think so. But definitely looking forward to next week. Just waiting for that breakout. Just waiting for it. Like, we had a little bit with EU, right? We were in buys for EU. Unfortunately, we got out. But, yeah. If you look at the bigger picture, too. Trend line. What does it do after it hits this trend line? Huge momentum drop. Kind of slowed down here, and then it picked back up. And then we've been hesitating. Is this the pullback? Are we getting in on the pullback? That's what it looks like to me. So, and then once we break this, come back up into, it's just like easy money when we get a breakout trade. So, not all of this consolidation fighting between being in profit and being in drawdown. It's just not a position I'm like. I don't like that. I mean, I'm sure everyone doesn't like that, but man, avoiding that would be great. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, waking up to blue and then going to sleep to red, and vice versa, whatever the case is. It's just not it. But as long as it comes, the end result to a W, I'm cool with it. Sit back and relax. But it was a struggle, because we took I lost, man. So last week on Friday for UJ, man, this gold's just should have sold it for UJ. Yeah, this week was great, bro. Honestly, it's been a great it's been a great month. It's been a great year. I mean, honestly, it's just been great. I don't know. We haven't had, like, knock on wood, but we haven't had a bad week in I don't know how long. Like, I mean, what? I don't even remember having a bad week ever, honestly. But it's just the momentum just pushing forward, and the good the good vibes, the good trades, the good weeks are just rolling into the next one, into the next one, the next one. It's gonna be a great year, just like we said in the beginning of the year. It's gonna be a great year for trading, and we're gonna look back, and it's gonna be great. But anyway, Monday looked a little rocky for me, at least. Um, we sold UJ, held over the weekend. Could have been a way more of a loss, to be honest. But when price came down and tested here, I didn't like it, so we closed out. Well, the majority of us did. Some of us kept open the trade, but I closed out. And then I think I took a gold trade, and then I ended up losing that trade too. So Monday was not. It didn't look good. It did not look good for me because I was already down, and I was like, bro, is this gonna be? Is this gonna be a week where I don't have profit? And then the charts, I don't know. I locked in, I guess, just I don't know. It just kept coming to me. Like honestly, I was looking at a chart and I'd go to the 5 minute, go to the 10 minute, and I was trying to do like little scalps here and there, and they were hidden. And I was hitting, I was hitting, I was hitting, and then I'd zoom out, look for a long term trade, and then I'd hit on there too, and it's like, bro. So Monday was looking rough. Tuesday was looking good. Wednesday was break even, and then Thursday was just like, I don't know, just went crazy. Went crazy, honestly. Probably one of the best weeks I've had ever. And it's crazy how Monday was looking so bad. Not like super, super bad, but just not good. I was already 5 steps behind. And then, I don't know, just turned it into a crazy week, bro. It was just grateful. Just grateful, thankful, and ready for the next one. But yeah, definitely top 3 weeks for sure. And then the way that the trades were just clicking, it was just felt really good. Felt really good. What's up, everybody? What's up, Carl? How you doing, bro? I didn't even see that you typed that, but I'm looking at my phone now, so I see 6 of y'all in here. How's your morning going? How was your week? What do you plan doing this weekend? And I'm gonna post on my story because like all the rounds, it's just like I don't know, bro. Honestly, it was just like a perfect week. I'm like so grateful, truly. Like I don't know how else to explain it, how else to break it down, but it was just like a really good week, and all the rounds. As we started out with Mike Tyson in the video, and then Monday, just boom, getting hits, and y'all will see. Y'all will see. I don't know. I don't know if y'all have me on Instagram or whatever, but I'm gonna post the whole week, and just it goes well with the rounds for sure. But today's round 12. It's the end of the fight, Hang up the gloves, take a little break, and lace back up on Sunday. And I'm ready for it. I really want to just. I want everyone. Everyone's at almost a K. 1K on the MAM, and then everyone
Action is
is
built
above
into
$1,000
your motion,
on the
regardless
community
of how
group.
you feel. And here's something
And there's
important.
what
Your
one guy
feelings
at
don't
four
catch up with your
thousand
action.
dollars, like
Most people think they need to feel good before they
crazy, bro.
take action. But the
But
opposite is true. Taking action first is what creates the right feelings. When you push
um,
yourself to move, your mind starts to shift,
I
your
want to get
energy
everyone to
increases,
2K
your confidence
next
builds,
week,
and
and I
suddenly
think that's gonna happen.
you do
Honestly, I
feel like
really feel
taking
like that.
action. But that only happens
Truly
after you
feel
start
like we're
moving.
gonna be able to double the account next week because this
Think
trade
about it like
setups
this.
that we're seeing
Have
or
you
that
ever
I'm seeing,
forced yourself to start working out even when you
it
didn't
could
want
be
to?
it.
And then after a few
It could be
minutes,
the key right
you
there.
felt great. That is how action works.
So
You must take the first step
that's the goal for me
without
for
waiting for the
next
right
week,
feeling.
is to be
And
able
once
to
you
do
do,
that
momentum takes over.
and just get really
And
good
here's the real
entries
test. What do you do when you
and
don't feel like doing
and
anything? Because that is the
let
difference
the
between
chart
success
play
and
out.
failure. Most people slow
Take what
down
you
when
get
they
from
feel
the market,
tired,
but
uninspired, or discouraged.
I
Winners
feel
do
like
the
that's gonna
opposite.
be
They
it's
push
gonna
even
be it.
harder. They use
It's
resistance
gonna be
as
that
fuel.
to that 2K
They
for
train
sure.
themselves to move forward, even when everything inside them is telling
Yes,
them to
sir.
stop.
Still looking at the overall target. Exactly, bro.
And this is why
We
winners
caught this
always
move.
seem to be ahead.
We caught.
They do not have fewer bad days.
Honestly, we got in
They
what
do
right
not
here,
have more motivation. They do
or
not
like right
feel
here,
great all the
somewhere in
time.
here. I think
They
we got
just
in right here
refuse to
actually.
let their feelings dictate their actions.
We
They
got
move
in
forward
here,
no matter what.
and we caught this move.
So starting today, make this rule.
This
Your
little move.
emotions no longer control
This
your
little move
actions.
compared to
Your
what we're looking
commitments
for.
are non-negotiable. Your
I
goals
think
are
we
set
got
in
out like
stone.
literally
And whether you
right
feel
here.
like it or not,
We did not get out
you
here.
will
We got out
execute.
like somewhere right here.
Because once you separate action
So
from emotion,
look at what
once
we
you
caught
train
compared
yourself
to
to
where
move
we're gonna
first
go,
and let the feelings follow,
and
you
we're
will
gonna move
become
up
unstoppable.
just alone with that. So
The
catching
fourth
this
step
next
to
week,
forcing yourself to take action is creating
2,
pressure and accountability.
3,
Most people fail to take
4,
consistent action
5.
because they have no real consequences for
I
inaction.
mean,
They tell themselves they will do something, but when they
I
don't
don't
follow
know.
through,
That's just
nothing
easy
happens.
money right there.
There's no cost,
It's just money on
no
the table
reward,
right there
no
for us
external
for the
force
taking.
pushing them forward.
I can't wait to
And
get
because
in.
of that, they allow themselves to
I can't wait.
procrastinate,
I mean, of course,
to
I'm
delay,
patient. I'm
and fall
not
back
like,
into old
oh
habits.
yeah, enter now, enter now. Like,
Winners
nah.
operate
We're gonna
differently.
wait and be
They do not
patient
rely on willpower
and let it come
alone
to
to
us.
take action. They do
But
not
when it
expect
does come to
themselves
us,
to be
that's what we're gonna
motivated all the
execute,
time.
and
Instead,
we're gonna pull the
they
triggers on
create
that.
an environment where taking action is the only
And
option.
that's easily.
Look into their life
I mean, if
and
we
what
get in at a
forces them to
.30,
follow through.
which is
They build
looking like what we're gonna
accountability
be doing,
systems that make failure painful. So painful that taking action becomes the easier choice.
and depending if we wake up a little
Think
bit,
about a deadline.
I don't know, we
You
might
only have
enter a
one
little bit
content
bigger
due
than that,
tomorrow. What happens?
just to
You get it done,
maximize the move on
no
here.
matter what. You stop
I mean,
making
this could be
excuses. You
easily
stop
the
procrastinating.
$1,000
You stop
move
overthinking, and
or
you
more,
execute.
$1,500,
Why?
$2,000
Because
move.
there's
Who knows?
pressure. There's a
But
consequence for inaction. And when the consequence is real,
yeah, I want
you
everyone's
will
account to be over 2K next week. Everybody.
This is why accountability is so
And if
powerful.
you're already at 2K,
When you know someone is watching
then
you,
you're looking at 3
when
to
you know
4.
there
And
is
if
a
you're
pulse
already at
to
4, then
failure,
you're looking at
when you know there is something at stake, your mind shifts.
6, 7.
You stop waiting until you feel like it. You stop giving yourself the option to quit.
But
You force yourself to take action
I already
because
see
you
it.
have no other
It's
choice.
just, it's gonna happen. And
And this is how winners set
I'm
themselves
ready. I'm
apart.
prepared for that.
They do not hope, they will follow through. They set up systems that guarantee they will. They create public commitments.
Man, gold is still
They
falling.
surround
That's
themselves
crazy, bro.
with people who will call them
I
out.
wanted to
Those
sell
situations
this.
where actions
That would have been a nice little
because
end
of
to
that,
Friday,
they
but
never allow
man,
themselves to
it was a
fall
great week, so I
into
can't
the trap
complain at all.
of hesitation.
But definitely for sure. I mean, saw it coming.
If
Saw
you
it
want to
coming.
take action consistently, you
The
must
30
build
minute
external
was
pressure into
screaming
your
sell.
life. You must create
Screaming
stakes
it.
so high
Right here.
that
I
failing
was
to
like,
act is
bro,
not an option. You must
I'm
make
gonna
sure
sell
that
it.
inaction is more painful
And it just,
than action.
but I mean, my
Because the
target was
cost of
only
doing nothing
here.
is greater than the cost of taking action.
So still would have
You
missed
will
out
always
here.
move forward.
We're already at 3K.
So how do you do this? You build accountability
Jeez.
into your life. You tell people about your goals. You make commitments publicly. You set
I'm
deadlines
surprised
that are real,
UJ's not going
with
up
real
crazy
consequences for missing them.
and Euro USD trees not going down.
Environments where you are forced to level up. You create rewards.
Account is currently sitting at 1788, so 2K is cake, bro. Oh yeah. So if you're, I mean, you're pretty much at 2K. So you're looking at 3 to 4K by the end of next week, bro. By the end of next week, 3 to 4. That's the goal right there. Because you're pretty much at 2. I mean, I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna be like, oh yeah, you start 1,000. You're definitely at 2. So 3 to 4, and then the next week's just gonna be easy. Once you get to 5K, bro. Oh my goodness. Honestly, 5K is just like, all right. You're looking at 15 to 2K minimum weeks. Like 2K weeks easily, and then once you're at 10K, then you have a lot more room to take a little bit more risk. Start entering in on some gold trades. Make a quick $500 in like 5 minutes. It's just, bro, when you have a larger account, you can do a lot more. It's a lot more easier, a lot less stressful. You have I don't even want to say small account, but just anything under like 5K, it's kind of like you're almost there to like still blow your account. But once you're above 5K, and then you hit that 10K mark, you're pretty much, you're good. You're on the gold side. Like, you're good now. Like, I mean, you have to take really bad, horrible trades in order to blow your account. Like, it would take a miracle, at least, I don't know. It would take a miracle to blow the account. I mean, we took it from 200 to 1700. So I think we're doing pretty good so far, you know. But it's just like it's easier whenever you have a larger amount, so then you could open up your lot sizes. You don't have to sit in trades for days like we're doing right now. You could get in, get out. Quick 10 pips, 20 pips. Easy. Easy money. Easy money.
And this is the mindset shift. If you are not creating accountability, you are creating excuses. If you are not building pressure, you are building.
Like from here to here,
you are not setting up consequences.
bro, you can make like $1,000 easily right there. You don't have to hold here to make $200. It opens up a. Obviously, it opens. It's just the playing field is just a lot better, a lot simpler. But we're almost there. And then once we get there, and then you'll see. If you haven't already, that was weird. Yeah, but anyway, we're almost there. I'm excited for everybody. Honestly, super excited. That 10K mark is gonna be a milestone, and then the real. I mean, this is the rough patch of all of it. The 200, anything above less than 500 is a build. You gotta be like you have to be on your P's and Q's for sure. And we made it out of there. It's a beautiful thing. The hardest part is almost over. As crazy as that sounds, the hardest part is almost over. And looking forward to that, bro, because it's fun to flip small accounts. Like, I might actually even just do it next week just to do it, because it's been a while. But it's fun. But it takes a little bit more work. Not saying that I don't like to work, because I do, but it's gonna be nice to sit back when everyone's at 10K. It's gonna be nice to just put in a standard and let it run and make $800, $900 in a day. It's easy money. You not have to worry about drawdown. But yeah, I've already been like looking forward to that since the beginning of the month.
Most people think their actions shape their identity, but the opposite is true. Your identity shapes your actions.
Do y'all have anything for me?
Force yourself to take action.
I see that I think there's one person in here. I don't know if this live chat count is right or what. Because it'll jump from like 7 to 1 and then 3 to 1. I don't know if I don't know if it's kicking people. I don't know what's going on. Maybe there is only one person on here. I'm pretty sure it's either Carl or I don't know. Regardless, whoever it is, appreciate it. It was a great week. Looking forward to next week. Do y'all have anything for me? Anything you want to go over?
This is why small wins matter. Most people think success is built through big dramatic actions. But the truth is, success is built one small decision at a time. It is built by showing up every day, even when you do not feel like it. It is built by proving to yourself over and over that you always follow through. And once you do that, taking action is no longer a struggle. It becomes who you are. Think about the most disciplined people in the world. Do you think they have to force themselves to take action every day? Not at all. It is not even a question.
Man, bro. I wish I sold this.
Because when something becomes part of your identity, you no longer have to think.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Just do it.
Let's just peep the news real quick for next week. Just get a little head start.
What kind of habits does that person have? What kind of mindset? What kind of discipline? Because once you identify the version of you that takes action without hesitation, all you have to do is step into that version of yourself. And here's the truth. You are always reinforcing your identity, whether you realize it or not.
Okay, Monday we have some Euro news. That's good. That could be that push up that we need. Look at that. High impact, high impact, high impact. Even some USD too. So Monday looks good. Monday looks like we have some movement. Tuesday we have some high impact. Cool. Wednesday too. A little bit. Thursday looks really good. I like Thursdays. Those are like the best days. And then Friday, yeah, high impact news. Even a speech too. Yeah, next week looks really good. A lot of high impact news every single day. So something to look forward to for sure. But I don't know. But I hope everyone enjoys their weekend. Hopefully you learn something new this weekend. I know it's easy to let off the gas a little bit and celebrate or relax or whatever you want to do because you have some free time, but I think it's important to learn something new every single day. So hopefully you seek information to try and learn something new. That's how you grow. Um, I'll be posting to my story in a little bit. If y'all want to check that, you can see on Monday was not it for me. But after I wake up, the rest will be revealed. And it was a great week. Honestly, top 3 week, bro. I'm super grateful for this week. Super grateful for everyone here. I'm looking forward to everyone reaching new limits, new peaks in their trading performance, trading journey, whatever it is that you plan on doing with this account. Hopefully you don't plan on withdrawing anytime soon, because the journey is just beginning. So I hope that you zoom out a little bit. I know that right now you may be zoomed in, or maybe not. Maybe I'm just jumping the gun on that. But regardless, if you're the person that's zoomed in too much right now, and you're like, okay, the account's flipped to 1,000, I'm gonna pull out at 15, I'm gonna pull out at 2, I'm gonna pull out at 5. Don't think about that right now. This is just the beginning. I promise you, it's just the beginning. And to pull out too soon it wouldn't be it, for sure. Just would not be it. The momentum ball is just beginning, I promise you. With that being said, appreciate y'all getting on. Appreciate y'all's time. Again, hopefully you learned something new this weekend. I implore you, please, to look for something to learn. But I appreciate y'all getting on. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you Sunday, ready for the next week. Y'all take care.